How to post videos on Reddit. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started. First thing first, make sure that you are running the latest version of the app Reddit. Once you have using, once you're re- once you have the updated version, simply open the app Reddit. Enter your login credentials and make sure that you are logged into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this homepage. You need to tap on Create over here. If you want to post any of the videos, then click on this icon. Choose any of the specific videos from your gallery. Once you have selected, tap on Next. Now you can crop the video from here. Once done, tap on Next. Add the title to this post. Once you have added, you have to select the community. Well, this community requires post title to be at least 25 characters. So you have to make sure that your title have 25 characters. Once done, tap on Post at the top right corner of the screen. Once you click on Post, your videos will be uploaded successfully, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.